Out to everyone, a lovely afternoon. Time check. It's 3:46 in a lovely hot afternoon. Hoping you're enjoying a lovely afternoon with me. This is Mix D, your sexy cowboy. I am doing mga most requested, mga OPM love song and mga ballads. And of course, especially yung ating mga country music. Alright, Brownie Thunder, shout out to you. And we are live broadcasting simultaneously to my YouTube channel, guys. No, so if you want to check it out, my YouTube channel is Mix Derulo. All right, shout out, Sayan, shout out. All right, let's do this country music by Blake Shelton, guys. All right, coming up next. Alright, the title of the song is Home. It's a country music by Blake Shelton. Home. Another summer day is come, gone away in Paris and Rome, but I wanna go home. Maybe surrounded by a million people, I still feel all alone. I just wanna go home. Oh, I miss you, you know. And I've been keeping all the letters that I wrote to you, and each one a line or two. I'm fine, baby, how are you? Send them all, I know that it's just not enough. My words were golden for land, and you deserve more than that. Another aeroplane, another sunny place. I'm lucky, I know, but I wanna go home. I gotta go home. Let me go home. And I'm just too far from where you are. I wanna come home. O, diba? Maraming nakaka-relate dito para sa ating mga kaibigan na OFWs at saka mga seaman, yung mga nagtatrabaho dyan abroad. Shout out, this song is for you. And I feel just like I'm living someone else's life. It's like a step outside when everything was going right. Then I know just why you could not come along with me. This was not your dream, but you always believed in me. Another winter day has come, gone away, and even Paris and Rome, and I wanna go. Let me go home. And I'm surrounded by a million people. I still feel alone, and I wanna go home. Oh, I miss you, you know. Let me go home. I'm coming back home. Let me go home. It'll be alright. I'll be home tonight. I'm coming back home. Yan, lovely country song by Blake Shelton. The title of the song is Home.